Hello my dear student, lecture number 6. Today I am going to explain you some examples from practice set 1.5 from your book. Question number 4, page number 25. Now, what is the question? Try to understand question properly. Triangle LMN, similar triangle PQR, 9 into A, area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area of triangle LMN. If QR is equal to 20, find MN. Solution. Now, while solving any question from maths, remember this point is very important. What is given now, there you concentrate. Okay, because given gives you what clue. Now, in this example, what is given? Triangle LMN, similar triangle PQR, and therefore area of triangle LMN upon area of triangle PQR is equal to MN square upon QR square. Statement number 1, and reason is this: theorem of areas of similar triangles. Okay, now 9 into area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area of triangle LMN given. Now you try to bring this equation, and therefore I transfer this 16 on this side, that is 9 upon 16, and this on this side is equal to area of triangle LMN upon area of triangle PQR. Statement number 2, and then by means of these two statements we'll find. Substituting in one, we get Mn square upon Qr square is equal to 9 upon 16, and therefore Mn upon Qr is equal to 3 upon 4. Taking square root, now QR is equal to 20 given. Substitute your value here. Mn upon 20 is equal to 3 upon 4, and therefore Mn is equal to 3 into 20 upon 4. Here give division, 4 5s are, and 3 into 3, 3 into 5, 15. Mn is equal to 15. Okay. Now next question, question number 6. Now question is this: triangle ABC and triangle DERF are equilateral triangles. If area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle DEF is equal to 1:2 and AB is equal to 4, find D. Okay. Now here read question properly, and what is given here. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equilateral triangles. Now you know equilateral triangle means what? All the sides are equal and their three angles are also equal. So therefore these two triangles, when triangles are equilateral, so remember one thing, all equilateral triangles are what? Similar. So therefore this triangle ABC and triangle DEF is what? Similar. Test AA. So triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equilateral triangles given, and therefore each angle is equal to 60 degree, and therefore triangle ABC similar triangle DEF. Test AA, test of similarity, and therefore these two triangles are similar. Therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to AB square upon DE square. Theorem of area of similar triangle. But area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle DEF is equal to 1 upon 2 given, and therefore AB square upon DE square is equal to 1 upon 2, and therefore AB is equal to 4 given. 4 square upon D square is equal to 1 upon 2, and then simplify in this way. This you transfer on this side and this, and write over here D square is equal to 2 into 4 square. AB is 4 given, and therefore DE is equal to, here you take square root, D is equal to square root of 2 is equal to root 2, and square root of 4 is equal to 2, and I mean 4 square root is 4, therefore D is equal to 4 root 2. Okay. Now next example, question number 7. Now again remember one thing, try to concentrate what is given. One figure is given, and in this figure means what, this is our triangle DEF given, and PQ is parallel to DE given. Now in figure, sec PQ parallel sec DE, area of triangle PQF is equal to 20, PF is equal to 2dp, then find area of quadrilateral DPQE. DPQE means this quadrilateral. By completing the following activity. Okay, now this is what an activity, and you have to fill the blanks according to what given here. Okay, now look here, this is the answer. Area of triangle PQF, this is what given in your book. Area of triangle PQF is equal to 20 units. PF is equal to 2dp. Let us assume dp is equal to x, and therefore PF is equal to 2x. Then df is equal to what? dp plus pf. You substitute pf here. Is equal to, dp is equal to x, and p is equal to 2x. X plus 2x is equal to 3x. Now in triangle FDE, this large triangle, and triangle FPQ, this angle FDE, similar, congruent angle FPQ, this and this corresponding angle. Similarly, this and this angle FED, congruent angle FQP, corresponding angle. Now in this larger triangle and smaller triangle, two angles are what? Equal, and therefore these two triangles are what? Similar, and therefore triangle FDE similar triangle FPQ test a test of similarity, and therefore area of triangle FDE upon area of triangle FPQ is equal to, here you have to fill df square upon pf square. df is equal to 3x square, and pf is equal to 2x square, is equal to x square get cancelled, 3, that is square 9, 2 square 4. So this is 9 upon 4. Now area triangle FDE is equal to 9 upon 4 area of triangle FPQ. Area of triangle FPQ is given, that is 20, and therefore area of triangle FDE is equal to 9 upon 4 into 20, 4 5s are, and therefore 9 into 5, 45. So this complete larger triangle, what is the area of larger triangle? 45, and smaller triangle area is equal to 20 given. Okay, and therefore you can find the what? Area of this quadrilateral. So area of this quadrilateral is nothing but what? Area of triangle minus area of this triangle. Okay, now therefore area of quadrilateral DPQE is equal to area of triangle FDE minus area of triangle FPQ, and therefore 45 minus 20 is equal to 25. So area of quadrilateral DPQE is equal to 25 square units. You write down, don't write simply units. Okay, now next question is from your problem set, question number 5 and page number 27. Now this example is what? Very important. for what your board exam. This question is many times asked in board exam. Okay. Now concentrate again. Given PM is equal to 10, area of triangle PQS is equal to 100 square centimeter, area of triangle QRS is equal to 110 square centimeter. Find NR. Now in this case, observe properly. I will use property. Now this is a triangle and this is a triangle. This is the height of this triangle. This is the height of this triangle, and this is the base. So in this triangle, base is what common. That means it is equal, and therefore I use this property. A1 upon A2 is equal to H1 upon H2 when B1 is equal to B2. Okay, so this gives you answer very fast. Now solution. Triangle PQS and triangle QRS have equal base QS, and therefore area of triangle PQS upon area of triangle QRS is equal to PM upon NR. Reason A1 upon A2 is equal to H1 upon H2 because B1 is equal to B2, and then you substitute your values. 100 upon 110 is equal to 10 upon NR, and therefore NR is equal to NR, you transfer here this 100 and this 110 here. So NR is equal to 10 into 110 upon 100 is equal to 0, 2 zeros get cancelled, and your answer is what? 11, and therefore NR is equal to 11 centimeter. Okay, now today enough it is. Now thanking you for watching